What's up, fellow geeks and cosplayers? Are you ready to take your Iron Man cosplay to the next level? Then you've come to the right place, because in this video, we're going to show you how to 3D print your very own Iron Man helmet. That's right. Using the latest technology and some creativity, you can become the hero you've always dreamed of. So sit back, grab your popcorn, and get ready to learn. All right, let's talk about what you're going to need to make this happen. First things first, you're going to need a 3D printer, like the Creality Ender 3 that we're using in this video. But don't worry, if you don't have access to this particular model, there are plenty of other options available that will do the job just fine. Next, you're going to need a 3D model of the Iron Man helmet. I am using Maya to create a model, but you can use any other software like Blender, 3ds Max, and ZBrush, or you can download one of these from online 3D printing communities like Thingiverse or My Mini Factory. Download link in description. And finally, you're going to need some printing material like PLA, PTG, or ABS. We recommend PLA for beginners, as it's easy to work with and produces great results. Now that we have all our materials, let's get started. This is where you can get creative and make any modifications to the model that you want. The first step is to load the 3D model into Cura software, which is used to slice the model into layers that the printer can use to create the physical object. It's time to print. This process can take several hours, so make sure you have some snacks and a good playlist ready. Throughout the print, you can adjust the printer settings to optimize the quality of the print, such as adjusting the speed and temperature. After the printing is complete, it's time to assemble the helmet. This is where you can really start to see your creation come to life. And don't worry if it doesn't look perfect at first, because post-processing techniques like sanding and painting can be used to make it look even better. Speaking of post-processing, this is where the real fun begins. Sanding is used to smooth out any rough edges or imperfections in the print, and it's a great way to add some personal touches to your creation. And when it comes to painting, the sky's the limit. You can use a primer to help the paint stick, and then add all sorts of colors and designs to make your helmet truly unique.